Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures using your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE 2. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to gesture control. And now, let's work with a double press. So firstly, let's move to the left earbud, and with left earbud, I wanna, by default you will have play pause on both of the earbuds, and you just click on it, and now we can select something else. And I recommend it to to call voice assistant with it, because you can add to play next and previous track for this triple press, and play and pause also you have. So I'm going to use to wake voice assistant, but you can also add it for the right earbud if you want to, and for the right earbud I wanna leave to play and pause the song. Now let's move to the triple tap, and for the triple tap it used to play next track, but I wanna play previous track with the left earbud. So I click on it, and as you can see we have no more option just to play next or previous track. So I'll leave something like this. For the press and hold we can add only reject a call. So I select it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.